Dear customer, welcome to the online training session of ODEX. So we will demonstrate how a user can retrieve a password which has been forgotten. So at the time of logging on to ODEX, you can click the forgot password option, enter the email address or the ODEX user ID. So remember here the ODEX user ID has to be an email address so that the password can be received on email. And on clicking the submit button, a temporary password will be sent across. So in this case, this is the password which has been received. We will click on sign in and it will basically ask you to select the location and click on the confirm button. So once you basically log on, click the confirm button, it will prompt you to change your password. So you enter the current password which was received to you by email and you enter the new password which you wish to keep. And these are the basic policies which need to be followed. Click on the save button and then it will further redirect you to the login page once again. To log in once again, and here we are. It will now allow you to log in further. So this was basically how to submit or how to retrieve a particular password. So in this case, there is another option called as changing the password from your end itself. So let me once again try logging in. So once we log on to ODEX, we select a particular model, and if you can click the settings button here, it prompts you to change the password. So it redirects to the same page which we just now did. And we also have a my profile option here, and in the my profile option we can basically make changes or additions in the CHA licenses which we had given, or the company PAN details, or we can also make changes in the address or probably make additions to our addresses. Similarly, you can also request for adding more users here by clicking the add user option and updating all this information here. At the same time, we can also update the GST details of a company by clicking on the add GST number for addresses. You can update all the required details, attach the GST copy and click on the submit button, and our registration team basically updates all this information and approves it from their end. Similarly for users as well and for other details as well. So we hope that this session was again helpful to you all. For any queries, you can write into support@odex.co. Thank you.